So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go to Bunnings, otherwise known as Hammerbarn. Bunnings is a hardware centre, like a big massive one in a big warehouse. They sell everything from nails to lawnmowers, gardening supplies. But in Bluey, the cartoon, which is actually based in Australia, they have a hardware store there and they've called it Hammerbarn, and it's all modelled after Bunnings warehouse, which is, like I said, a hardware store, and it's in Australia and New Zealand. So we're going to go there and pick up some more of these hooks, and I'm going to actually attach them outside. I will show you. So I think I'll potentially put some hooks running along the top here, maybe along here. I'm kind of thinking bike helmets, maybe backpacks after school before they get unloaded. And look, here's our Bluey and Bingo welcome mat. Look at that sunshine. Right, I'm off to Hammerbarn. I need to get those heavy duty hooks for the outside of the house, and I want to get another fly screen for our back door so that we can open the front door and the back door and we can get a nice airflow going and not have any flies coming into the house because it's the bane of my life. Okay, let's go and see what we can find. Found all these multi-hook setups, and my daughter likes this rainbow one, of course, so I think we'll get that. How much is it? 30 bucks. Excuse me, whereabouts would I find fly screens that I can like just tack onto the door frame? Oh, right there, thank you. Here's all the fly screen bits and pieces. I feel like just the cheapest one is going to do the job. I'm going to go for this one in white. I think it's a standard door size, $17.98. That'll do. I found this step stool. I'm going to get one for my son so he can get up to the toilet. $11. I think I'll get green. It's his favourite colour. We've spotted Hammerbarn Bluey items. These very cute gnomes. Let's see what they have. Oh, this wee one's wearing a beret. Oh. $19.50. Do I give in and get one? Oh, there's a Christmas one. Oh. A couple more Bluey items. We found these little mini gnomes. I think they're on little sticks and you can stick them into pot plants. $14.95. I think the big gnome is nicer, but these are very cute. And World's Best Chef Hammerbarn Bluey apron. $12.50. Hammerbarn Bluey lunch bag, $16. And pool toy. Job one done. Let's see if it works. I'm here with my wee gnome friend Gerald that we picked up today at Hammerbarn. That was actually quite fun going there and looking at all the Bluey stuff that they have. Bluey is such a good kids TV show. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend. It is funny for the kids, funny for the adults.
really clever. It's like definitely often feels like you could be watching your own family in it. Yeah, I just really like it, and when the kids watch it, I'm in the background laughing away. Yeah, so it's really good. It's based in Australia. We're here in New Zealand. We're very close. We're just across the Tasman from each other. So there's a lot of things, similarities in the show that I see here in New Zealand. So it's always nice to have what feels like it could be home. And a lot of Kiwis travel to Australia often, have family and friends over there, so we know it really well. There's even a character in Bluey that's a New Zealand kid, and his name's Mackenzie, and he's a border collie. Anyway, it's really clever. You'll like it. I had to just put on a loose t-shirt and some loose shorts because it's just too hot. We've been sitting inside with the air conditioning on and the fan. The kids have been watching movies, playing games, and we've been just trying to tidy up a bit inside. I did get the fly screen installed at the front of the house, which I showed you guys. The thing is with those, I mean, they're not really great quality. They're very temporary, kind of do a job that you need them to do, but they're nothing fancy. This one that I got is actually not as good as the other one that we've had, but it'll do for the summer. It only needs to last another couple of months. But that was our Sunday. We're going to go and have some dinner now and relax and get an early night because I've been staying up way too late editing, which has been so much fun, but I cannot be staying up that late. It's just not in me anymore. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel and like this video. It would mean the world to me. It's been so fun doing this so far, and I just want it to continue, and I hope you're enjoying it. Gerald and I say goodbye from my garden, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.